Now we will talk about an element called toggle button. It is a normal button like here, but it has slightly different properties. Usually change its value depending on the pressure on it, meaning when you press on it, becomes another shape, and when you go back, and also press on it, it will go back to the first shape, and so on, like the button in the settings of the things that need off and on. We use it by drag and drop it on the screen. OK. Then I will add text view here. OK, and now the most important characteristics for it. Text on, it's mean, when the button is on, of what is the text will appear. Text off means when the button is matte, what is the text will appear. Checked means whether the first you add the button, you want it to be on or off. If you want it to be on, checked it, and vice versa. Dash means the default value, which is off. Of course, the rest of the existing properties are the same as the characteristics of the regular button. Now, we will run the application. OK, so you notice that the value of the button changes when it is totally pressed. Thank you. Don't forget to like video and subscribe the channel.